All right, so these right here that you get, these are for concrete and these are for wood. So in our case, we're gonna set this up in wood, indoors. So we're gonna use the wood ones, these guys right here. And we just have to find studs and that's it. So this is where we're gonna set it up. There's two 2x4s here, we know that. So we're just gonna put this here and it's gonna be that easy. And here is the tool that we're gonna use for that. So here you go. So from there, you just attach this to the rings here. This will go to the chain. In our case, since this is going to our basement, we will not be using chain. So we're just gonna take out the chain in this case, but if you guys need the chain, go ahead and use it. Now what you got up here, you can just set this up here. If you did any cracks on your drywall, we're just gonna patch that up later on, no big deal. And we're just gonna attach this one to this one. So right now, as you guys can see, this will be attached just like you see it right here. There's the rings. And what you don't wanna forget is just to lock this up. So you guys can see that this won't open up as long as you lock it in. It's gonna be the same thing here. You just lock it up. And that way, you won't be able to open it up. So make it a little bit stronger as well. So this is something that you have to do every time. Just lock it up. All right, so keep in mind that this is also adjustable. So you can definitely adjust this. And then down here below, the legs will come out this way. And all you have to do is just put everything else in here and then you're ready to go. So this swing can go this way, regular swing, or what's fun about these type of swings is that they can do this if they want to. It's no big deal. So the next step is just setting these guys up. So the big one goes here, then the other one goes here, and you just have to tie it on the back. So there you go. You just tie it there, and you have this harness. You can use it if you want to. If you don't want to, you don't have to. All right, so we have the harness put on. Everything's good. You can tighten this up. You can tighten that up, and this part as well. Plus these parts right here. You're gonna see there's another part that we didn't tie up right now. We're gonna do that right now. So once this is tight, you can go ahead and here we go. 1, 2, 3.